Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Mackensen Elementary, home of the Bulldogs here in Bay City, Michigan. And it was a beautiful morning. I got to speak to all the grades, K through 5. We had 2 separate assemblies on bullying, more specifically looking at someone's heart first. And I know that so many hearts were touched because I had a lot of students come up to me after the assemblies saying that, Mr. Peace, you know, what you said, it really hit home for me, that I went through a loss. And now I have some friends that have helped me through that. I've kept my heart open to those friendships. That true friendship isn't about how much money that person has or what they look like or how they were born. It's all about who that person is inside, right? And so if someone's born different, if they walk different, talk different, see different, learn different, hear different, that shouldn't separate us, right? We should be able to get past those judgments, open our hearts to others around us that could turn out to be amazing friends. And they really heard that message today. They heard the fact that we need to get past any pain in our heart, any hurt. That hurt people, a big reason why people bully and don't show love. But if we can become healed people who heal people, then we can start to change this world, right? We can be that change. And our heart, as big as our fist, if we can let that love fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? One finger for ourselves, the other for someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but how we choose to treat them, hopefully with kindness. But also too, because in just 2 seconds, what we say or do can potentially change a life forever, right? Maybe change a heart forever. And hopefully it's something that is gonna stay on their heart in a good way for the rest of their life and not in a negative way. And that's what leads me into this prop that I'm holding here. It was a gift from a school that I spoke at. They all signed it. You can kind of see some of the names right here. But on the other side, it says, one kind word can change someone's entire day, right? And I believe one kind word can change someone's entire life. That 2 seconds, we have that power to uplift or to bring down. And it really comes down to our choice. That no matter what we've gone through or will go through or are going through, we can still choose love. We can still show kindness. And that's what I tried to hammer home today through various videos and the heartfelt stories and the hip hop. It was all trying to let them know that this life lesson at a young age is super, super important, because they know that even as young as they are, they can make a huge difference. It can last on someone's heart forever. Just like the bracelets that I wear, about 10 or 12 before every talk. These are given to me from students. I have thousands of these, and it's all from kids that said, Mr. Peace, you touched my heart. And then every hand went up today when I asked that question that, you know, did something touch your heart? And it did. And that means they have big hearts, and now it's up to them to go out and share that gift with others. And keep remembering this too, that we're all miracles. Beautiful, right? Beautiful miracles, worthy of love, upside down for the W. To both give it and receive it. We all have letter M on the palm of our hands, one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. But that M, we remember, stands for miracle. And we go help others see that they're miracles too after we believe it ourselves. Thank you so much for touching my heart today. You guys are beautiful. Hope to see you again in the future. Until then, have a great rest of the school year. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out the YouTube playlist for some other motivation. And you can also visit my website from the peace sign symbol to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.